This is the bowling alley elevator here at Grand Sierra Resort.
You better stop! You better stop!
Nice, it's still original. Very creaky to me. Oh, so it isn't a button. It's just a light that it's like the indicator. Close. Very smooth. I never knew how they open this. How do you open this? Oh. That is a dumbass handle design. What the hell? What's this button here? Original United States square. No floor indicator. Shit, so loud. Well, cab was redone a few years ago. Glad this is still original and not murdered. Oh, look at that. 3.6 seconds. That's why it takes damn long. GAL. That'll be it.